GOP nominee Donald Trump is riding a wave of momentum, and that could mean perhaps the end of NAFTA, the North American Free Trade Agreement. There is one stock that's reflecting not only the uncertainty over NAFTA, but also the increasing market speculation that a Trump win for the White House in the wake of the Clinton email drama could move certain stocks. Charlie Gasparino on KSU.
Yeah, I just want to make one point about President Obama. He did say one thing interesting. He said, and maybe this is a local colloquialism. I've been to North Carolina a few times, well, I've never heard of it. We got some business. Whatever that means. I mean, I don't understand. You know, it is funny watching these politicians try to adopt the local language, but I think he went really far in that one.
Well, I remember George W. Bush saying about prescriptions. He said something at a news conference like, "We know sometimes doctors don't write so good."
Yeah.
Because sometimes they speak in colloquial English like that.
It sounds stupid.
Okay, regardless, let's get to the story.
KC Southern is the stock to watch. If you're talking to any money manager out there right now and they want to see a barometer of potential Trump victory, this stock is very volatile on positive news and negative news on Trump. Look, it's up a bit today, but since Friday...
Oh, 2%, more than a bit.
Yeah, but since Friday, it's been down like 2%. And we should point out that one of the 2.9% since Friday. And the Dow has been down 1.2% since Friday. Why do we say Friday? That's when the email investigation was reignited, obviously changing the polls and changing the perception of a possible Trump victory to becoming, you know, increasing likelihood or possibility is likelihood. I don't want to say he still has a very narrow chance to win, he still has a narrow path, but this is a stock to watch. It is, money managers tell me that this stock has been riding on every positive or negative Trump issue. Now, why do they care about this? Half of its business is NAFTA related, essentially. It ships stuff back and forth to Mexico. So if you think Trump's going to win, you think he's going to kill the NAFTA, the trade deal, you obviously short this stock. If you think he's going to lose and he's not, and NAFTA stays, the stock goes up. And if you're going in, if you're looking to trade, okay, two things I would say. I don't advocate trading, but if you're looking to trade, this is a good trade. This is a good stock to trade in the market. If you're looking for a barometer of what smart money managers think about stocks, and who's going to win, this is the one to follow. And I will tell you, it is very volatile on that. And, you know, listen, if it looks like Trump's going to win, I mean, Monday's going to be an interesting day for stocks. You know, if we see a Trump victory increasing, watch for the Dow to be off big, and watch for this thing to be off big. If not, if the polls come out and it looks like Hillary's going to win, well, then I think you'll see a relief rally. But it's good.
A live picture from Florida right now. That's Pam Bondi, the Florida Attorney General, and Donald Trump is expected to speak in just about 8-9 minutes.
Right. Well, here's what I'm getting from inside the campaign. It's funny, she's speaking right now. They do see a path to victory. Okay, and here's the way they do it from inside the Trump campaign. And I'll tell you, it's not too much of a leap if you look at a battleground map, okay?
Or the Electoral College vote,
yeah, that's what I'm saying. You look at it. They're saying that
people are saying that's a tougher path.
It is, but if you look at the map and you assume a few things, because the momentum is starting to shift with him lately, he's got to win. They think he's got to keep all the Republican-leaning states, okay, even those lean states, and win Florida, Iowa, Ohio, Nevada, New Hampshire. Now, of all those states, Nevada is the bluest of all those states. So that would be a big win for him. Not Pennsylvania. So, you know, it's not impossible for him to win this if the momentum, if he can make up ground in those states. And you know, by the way, he's essentially tied in Florida. He's up a little bit in Ohio. Ohio, he's tied. Nevada is where he's behind.
Although
New Hampshire,
in today's quickie poll, CNN's poll, he was up in Nevada. So.
That's what I'm saying. There is a path to victory here. Now, he's got to keep Arizona, obviously. Right. He's got to win Florida. Florida's not easy. He's got to win New Hampshire. I mean, it's a tough, listen, he's got a higher, if you're laying odds, it's higher for him to do this than for her to win. But watch the market on this. The market's going to go really nuts.
That's why everybody has to watch Fox Business. The melding of politics and business.